James Pearce, a lawyer discussing behalf special advisor to Ministry Justice, speaks in Front Circuit Court on D.C. Tuesday, January 9 in Front Circuit Court. Bill Hennessy, a federal appeal panel, expressed his deep skepticism on claim that Donald Trump could not try to overthrow 2020 elections on Tuesday and that absolute presidential immunity increased potentially excessive effects. Trump's lawyers argued that the federal election destruction indictment should be rejected because it was immune to the prosecution. He questioned whether he would allow. Special lawyer Jack Smith's team argued that a president was not above law, which allow the prosecution of Presidency to open a flood cover vein and would be very frightening. Calm if there was no criminal mechanism that prevent future presidents from usurping. Nevertheless, judges at this point case even wondered whether authority to decide problem of immunity presidency. The Political did not set a deadline, but considering the circumstances, they will take a lot of time. Here are the basic inferences of the oral arguments on Tuesday. Judges are worried about scope and impact. Trump's immunity argument. Judges of Circuit Court asked questions about allegation Trump lawyer John Sauer's immunity because lost his actions after 2020 elections. He challenged allegation that he could face criminal prosecution if was accused and convicted for same behavior. Paradoxical to say that constitutional task was executed loyalty. Some judges returned to Trump's allegations of immunity, emphasizing the potentially dangerous way in which future presidents could break the law. Important discussions. Trump's objection prevented prosecution. Trump's lawyer Sauer argued that president could only be accused of as a guilty and he could be tried after conviction for the alleged actions in the Senate. He was acquitted by Senate on February 2021. A President Joe Biden candidate Florence Pan questioned Sauer accusation and conviction made by Congress for any criminal prosecution was necessary at same time suppressing that he had accepted him after admitting he could be tried under some conditions. Your argument of power separation disappears and next problems are narrowed? Trump's lawyer said that he had closed Pandora's box to show the heads of immunity. He argued that decision of bringing accusations could lead to similar prosecution. Theoretically, Biden, Barack Obama or George W. Bush warned that he could cause charges against Suer. He would open it. Quote,